Today, we're making the most moist and fuddy chocolate cake.
Let's start simple. Add 1 3/4 cups of flour. Now add 3/4 cup of cocoa powder for that deep chocolate flavor.
Add 2 cups of sugar, just the right sweetness. Add 2 eggs for richness.
Pour 1 cup of milk. Keep it smooth.
Half cup oil, this makes it super moist.
1 cup hot coffee. This is the secret.
Add 1½ teaspoons of baking powder and 1½ teaspoons of baking soda. This makes it soft and fluffy.
Mix until smooth, no lumps.
Pour the batter gently. Look how smooth that is. Bake until perfectly soft. Carefully take it out.
Pour hot cream over chocolate. Mix until smooth. Cut the cake into layers. Take 1 layer, pour ganache, spread the ganache evenly, and keep another layer of cake.
Now pour the ganache on top.
Soft, rich, perfect. Follow for more delicious recipes.